energy industry is always transforming progress, transforming technology, transforming what we're capable of, and how we connect to each other. Our collective determination and pioneering spirit has taken us to the depths of the world's oceans, the furthest reaches of the desert, to always deliver and always look forward. Since the beginning, it has been the people, the experts in energy, who have fueled virtually every innovation and advancement. Like energy, digital technology has the same impact on every aspect of life, transforming perspiration into innovation, potential into performance, and ideas into game-changing execution. In our always-on world, digital transformation is essential to growth. New capabilities driving new advantages, with data as the golden thread that links us all. Data that keeps us connected, field to office, ship to shore, person to person, accessible, available, anywhere, anytime. Extending our connections, increasing our performance, with accuracy, with insights. It takes a quorum of experts with deep industry DNA and a vision for innovation to navigate the complexities of both digital transformation and the energy transition. And it takes partnering on a well-planned path to connect people, workflows and systems with decision-ready data. This is our commitment to transforming the business of energy through technology, delivering digital advantages that empower companies across the energy ecosystem to drive the innovations and ideas that will carry us forward, tomorrow and into the future.